Hi, I'm Carissa, and today I'm going to be talking about volume. There are going to be three parts to this presentation: what is volume, how to solve for volume, and examples. So first is the introduction. In math, volume can be defined as three-dimensional spaces enclosed by a boundary or occupied by an object. Finding the volume of an object can help us to determine the amount required to fill that object, like the amount of water needed to fill a bottle, or an aquarium, or a water tank. The volume of an object is measured as cubic units such as cubic centimeters, cubic inches, cubic feet, cubic meters, and etc. Volume of basic solid geometric shapes like cubes and rectangular prisms can be determined using formulas. How to solve for volume. So the first shape is the rectangular prism. To solve it, you must multiply length times width times height. And the second one is the triangular prism. To find the volume, you have to multiply base times height times length, all divided by 2. And for the cylinder, you have to multiply pi times radius squared times height. The next formula is for the pyramid. You'll have to multiply length times width times height, all divided by 3. For the cone, you'll have to multiply pi times radius squared times height, all divided by 3. And for the sphere, you'll have to multiply 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. So here are the examples. So for the rectangular prism, all you have to do is plug in the values like in all the formulas. So you have to multiply the length times the width times the height. So the length is 6, the width is 3, and the height is 4. When you multiply all of that, you get 72 centimeters cubed. We use cubed because when we're looking for volume, we measure with cubic units. The next example is the triangular prism. To find the volume, you have to multiply base times height times length, all divided by 2. So the base is 8, the height is 7, and the length is 10. When you multiply all that, you get 560. And when you divide it by 2, you get 280 feet cubed. The final example I'm going to show you is the cylinder. So the formula for this is pi times radius squared times height. So we just plug in the values. So the radius is 6 and the height is 12. So we're going to simplify 6 squared and we're going to get 36. When we multiply 36 to 12, we get 432. And then we're going to multiply that to pi. So we're going to get 1,357.17 centimeters cubed for our final answer. Thank you for listening.